In this video, I will show you how to download the Wells Fargo mobile app. So simply open Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Wells Fargo. From here, you can simply see the install button. Click on install. Right now, this app is not available in my country, but you can find it. After your app is done installing, you can simply click on open and you can use the app. One more way you can install Wells Fargo is simply open Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Wells Fargo download. Here you can find wellsfargo.com and the download link. Click on it. After that, you can scroll down below and you can have two options whether you want to download from App Store or Google Play. Or you can scan the QR code to download it. And that's it. That's how you can download Wells Fargo mobile app. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.